Hello, thank you so much for your interest in my beginner bird photography course. I am so glad you're here with me. I am out in one of my most favorite places, the beautiful salt marsh of South Jersey. It's absolutely calm and quiet out here. It's a nice warm fall day and there's no place I'd rather be. I just wrapped up a great session of bird photography and I want to talk to you about this beginner bird photography course. This course is going to dive into everything I could possibly think of for beginner and intermediate bird photography. I'm going to cover all the technical stuff, gear, clothing. We're going to dive really deep into camera settings. We're going to dive deep into lighting, backgrounds, foregrounds, all kinds of concepts to take really good, technically sound bird photos. I'm also going to show you ways to think about things a little bit more creatively. I hope you're here because you like my bird photography and my creative style. I've worked hard on creating this unique bird photography style over the past 10 plus years of doing bird photography. And if you like that style, this is going to be a perfect course for you. In addition to the creative style and my style of bird photography, I'm also going to try and teach you a foundation of bird photography so you can hopefully come up with your own creative style and grow that going forward. So if you have an interest in this, visit learnbirdphotos.com to check out more. Find out more about what's involved with this course and sign up. I hope to see you there and I'd love to show you everything I know about bird photography.